Monitor plant-level stock availability in real time. Stock management begins in the production module, the central hub for monitoring plant-level inventory availability. The plant stock menu provides real-time visibility into material quantities across various manufacturing facilities. The item name and item code columns uniquely identify every raw material and finished good. Plant name identifies the specific physical location where the inventory is currently held. Available stock displays the precise quantity of units or weight ready for production use. Advanced filtering enables targeted searches to isolate specific material groups or high-priority items. Entering a specific item name narrows the view to related item stock only. This filtered view confirms stock levels for the specified item across different plants. The export function allows users to extract stock data for external reporting or auditing. Users can choose between exporting specific selected records or the entire plant stock ledger. Selecting Export All Records generates a comprehensive file containing the complete inventory status. The system generates a downloadable CSV file for immediate offline data analysis and reconciliation. Centralized stock visibility ensures material readiness, prevents production delays, and maintains accurate inventory records. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.